Hi guys, so today we are taking the king of all cuts, pork belly, and giving it the salt and pepper treatment. It's crispy, it's buttery, and it's about to become your new obsession. The challenge to pork belly is rendering the fat without drying out the meat. I'm going to show you how to get that shattered crispy texture which locks in the moisture while the exterior turns into gold. We are tossing these crispy nuggets with onion, red chilies, salt, pepper, and also adding some ginger and garlic. It's a high heat, high flavor punch that balances the richness of the pork perfectly. Forget the local Chinese spots, this is the better, fresher, and the way more satisfying to make at home. If you are ready for the best pork belly, so let's get into it. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 500 grams pork belly meat cut in medium pieces. Add some salt to taste. Add 1 stock cube. 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper. 2 tablespoon rice wine vinegar. 1 tablespoon light soya sauce. Half cup corn flour. And then give it a nice mix. Mix it until the corn flour nicely coats the pork. So as you can see that it has got a nice coating now. Then marinate this for half an hour. Then in a hot pan add 1 cup oil and simply fry the marinated pork belly. Make sure that the oil is medium hot and not too hot. Fry the pork belly until it is nice and crispy and golden brown. Make sure to mix it regularly for even cooking. Fry the pork belly for about 12 to 15 minutes. Make sure not to overcook it or else it will be rubbery. So the pork belly is ready now. As you can see that is crispy and golden brown. When ready, simply remove it in a separate plate. Then in a hot pan, add the same oil used for frying pork. Add 5 garlic cloves chopped, 2-inch ginger chopped, 1 red chili chopped, and then fry it for few seconds. Then add 2 onion chopped, half cup spring onion white, and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add some salt to taste. Add half teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon white sugar, 1 tablespoon rice wine vinegar, and then fry it for few seconds. Then add the fried pork belly and then give it a nice mix. And cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let the pork absorb all the flavors. Then add handful of spring onion green and then give it a final mix. So the salt and pepper pork belly is ready now. Look at that, the fat is completely rendered, the skin is like a glass, and the salt and pepper seasoning is just popping. And that heat from the chilies followed by the richness of the belly. It's literally a flavor bomb. I love serving this over a plain jasmine rice to soak up all the seasoned oil, but honestly it's ultimate party snack on its own. If you enjoyed this recipe, do me a huge favor, hit that like button and subscribe for more crispy, easy to make comfort food. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.